Defend the digital frontier with elite infrastructure security protocols and claim your expertise. Architect digital resilience by mastering the critical systems that safeguard modern global enterprises. Remember, security is not just a product, but a continuous and disciplined process of vigilance. Earn over $140,000 annually, with industry demand growing by 30%. Our roadmap guides you from core infrastructure security to advanced intrusion detection and device hardening. Gain precise mastery through 27 comprehensive chapters, 51 hands-on labs, and over 150 assessments. Transform your career with 102 learning objectives and the practical defense skills required for high-stakes roles. Invest $279 today to secure your future with this comprehensive professional certification path. Take the first step toward mastery and begin your professional defense training right now. If you have any questions, our team is ready to assist you at support@uCertify.com.